Actually, yeah, starting on the 8. Go ahead, Nicholas. Your group can guess as much as you want. Oh, my. Oh, okay, I get it now. Nimi's always so good at giving everybody else points. Have you noticed that?
He said he can guess as many times as he wants.
The other group can.
Oh, we can't.
Yo, oh, my. Oh, I got it, okay. This is not bad, group. Come on, Mike, you got this. What's he drawing, man? Okay, 15, 20 seconds. Oh, my.
I feel like if we got it, we would laugh, but we don't get it.
It's really not bad.
Are you serious?
It's really not bad. 5 seconds. I need a guess. Any guess? Does any group have a guess? Go ahead, Mike. You got it.
Egg.
Zoom in on Mike. No, it's not an egg. Any final guess? Go ahead. Wait.
What?
You're not even playing. You can't guess. Any group got a guess? Go ahead. Yeah. Never mind. Go ahead.
Wait, is it dealing with that article when they try to say girls try to look older, younger, and porn?
No, that's the last thing.
-3.
This is the second.
But no, that's a good guess.
Wait, look, there's another.
First hand I see. Oh my.
What?
Good. I don't know what that means now. First hand I see. First hand I see. I need to know the significance of makeup from the executive chapter. Go ahead.
How women take longer to like do makeup and stuff, and like a guy.
No, -3. What's the significance of makeup? Go ahead.
Is this the part where presidents had to wear makeup by any chance to look better? Like,
What are you talking about? Presidents had to wear makeup.
no, I'm talking about the part where.
What election is this for? Go ahead, you guys have
Nixon
it.
and Kennedy.
Nixon and Kennedy. And what happened in the Nixon-Kennedy election for the first time? 1, 2, 3.
Nixon didn't want to put a makeup.
Well, wait, what happened for the first time in that election? Televised. Presidential debate. 1, 2, 3. No, tell me more.
He didn't actually want to because he thought it was being less masculine to just put on makeup.
Nixon did not want to wear makeup. Why did he need it?
Because he was pale.
Because he had actually been sick and he was pale. Anything else? Because Nixon lost because of the debate, right? What caused him to lose?
People thought that he actually won over radio, but Kennedy.
Before we get to that, what caused him to lose?
I got it. Kennedy would look into the camera with his makeup looking good and speak to the camera.
1, 2, 3. Kennedy looked into the camera.
Nixon would speak to the moderator.
To the moderator. 1, 2, 3. What else? What else? 4. So there's makeup. There's the moderator looking into the camera. There's other things though.
He faded into the background.
What do you mean he faded into the background?
He was like not popping out. He was like just.
He was wearing a black suit, and his sickly white skin would pop out, and it looks very, very.
He actually was wearing a dark suit on black and white TV against a black background, so it only accentuated his paleness. Anything else about Nixon or about Kennedy?
Kennedy came from Cali, so he had more color than Nixon.
Kennedy came from Cali, yeah. So he had more color. He was tan, so he didn't need the makeup. Anything else? 3,
Isn't it?
2, 1. Who's got it next? Go, Juan.
For the people listening on the radio, it sounded like Nixon won, but
Now it's time to tell me this. Go.
For everyone that watched on TV, JFK won because he looked more like a leader.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Nixon won on radio, and it was in theory because his ideas were better. JFK won, in fact, on television because of the sizzle, because of the packaging of it. You could also make mention that JFK's suit contrasted a little bit more with the background. Nixon was sweaty. Nixon had a 5 o'clock shadow. Picnic category. Hit the light if you would. Juwan's group. You still, oh wow, you're so close to being either in last place or second place. So take advantage.
Judiciary.
Judiciary for 4.
4.
What principle did Marbury versus Madison? Go ahead.
The judiciary review.
The Jew.
The judiciary review.
Judiciary.
Thank you.
Judicial review, in fact. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click it. Make sure that you look at the chapter questions because this came straight from the pick me a category. Gotta go. Judiciary for 5.
Yeah.
Who's drawing? If you'll erase Aya and hit the light.
It's gonna be the worst. I feel like I won't even know. You're looking snazzy.
If it's a guy, do not draw hair.
If it's a guy, don't draw
That looks
hair.
like hair.
I need you to draw that. Got it? Okay. 1 minute starting on the 1. Just that. This will probably be the last question, so take full advantage of this. And it's a 5-pointer.
It's like the iPhone 8.
Y'all have this. What's he drawing? From the judiciary chapter.
Isn't it the where the pictures of the nude lady?
What's he drawing?
He's drawing the screensaver. Is that it?
He's drawing a screen.
No, like on this phone. Is
Zoom in on her, hon. Get close.
it the one where it was the people that just came from the Christmas party?
What's he drawing?
Over the pictures of her naked
Anybody in the group? What did he draw? 5.
The phone that the guy had with the pictures of
I
the
guess you
girl.
can write phone because they said it. What did he draw?
The phone.
Cell phone! Yes, the cell phone! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me the significance of the cell phone. You're gonna have it next, though. Go.
Okay, so
5.
in the where they went to the bar, the Christmas party, it's basically saying that if he took pictures.
What happened at
The
the
police
Christmas
are
at
not-
the party?
They went off to the beach.
They went off to the beach.
Man and woman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were at a bar at a work party and they went to the beach. What happened?
So
A standby called from a payphone to call the police to say that he sees the man taking photos of the woman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, passersby saw this. I don't know what he's doing now. But understand on this. Okay, so they did report this to the police. What did she do when she got on the beach?
They were kind of stripping and like
They were stripping?
No, she was
passed out. Thank you, Shaquille. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She passed out or lost consciousness. He began to take pictures and remove some of her clothes. Passersby called the police. What'd the police do?
They went through his phone, but that was illegal.
And what'd they find?
They found the pictures.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What'd they charge him with? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. 2nd-degree sexual assault. Yes, they did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what was the other thing?
Peeping.
Can you tell me? Secret peeping, photographic imaging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Were the police allowed to use the pictures?
I said that part.
Why?
Because they didn't have a warrant.
Why was the warrant significant for this particular
Because
case?
the police didn't see that him taking the pictures. Only the people.
They didn't, but there was something else that was really important about this case in North Carolina.
It was the first time
First time what?
that this kind of thing happened.
What does that mean? Because you're right. It's the
Search
first.
through phones.
It's the first time that they searched through phones.
without warrant.
Like
3, 2, 1. Do you want this?
Without.
Go ahead, Margarita. First time what?
So it's the first time that they are getting information from the cell phone? Like,
First time that they had to answer the question of whether or not you needed a warrant in order to go through somebody's cell phone. And understand on this, because I know we're out of time. They did get a warrant after they went through his phone, and they went to Sprint to figure out where he sent the pictures. But because they didn't get a warrant the first time, it invalidated everything else. First and I see, what was the man's name?
Oh no,
Go ahead. Christopher Walken? Snow! Christopher Snow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in fact, what happened to him? He actually walked. Yeah, he did. He walked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit the light if you would. We're out of time on this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 34. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 44. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Lucky, lucky. If y'all will sign your names on a paper, plus 14. Baljeet, sign your names on a paper, plus 12. Trevor's group, sign your names on a paper, plus 10. Gab, sign your name on a paper, plus 8. Jawan's group, sign your names on a paper, plus 6. Aya, if you will click 2 for executive, and just film if you're a little bit longer. Know the difference. Executive order, executive agreement, executive privilege. Straight definitions with an example. Click it. Touch the house. 4 for 5 for executive. Click it. Youngstown versus Sawyer. President and Congress agree. President silent. President and Congress disagree. The Steele seizure case. Judiciary won. The courts cannot guarantee truth or justice, but what can they guarantee?
Fairness.
Fairness. Go ahead, click it. Touch the house. Articles for 4. Pictionary. What would that?
Can I draw it?
That would have been the duel. The election of 1800 and the duel. This is a big one. Take a look at the video at minute 12, how a bill becomes a law. 5 things president can do when presented with a validly passed bill. Click it. Be able to explain, sign, veto, pocket veto, line item veto, and signing statement. Hodgepodge for 1. What was that famous Potter Stewart quote?
Oh, I can't define it, but I know it when I see it.
Pornography. I don't know how to define it, but I know it when I see it. Click it.
No.
And then touch the house and give me the last one. Click it. Pardon power. Make sure that you're familiar with the pardon. Make sure that you've signed it. Bring these up to me. You can stop filming.